It's a bright sunny day at Construction HQ. Everyone is excited to start work. Today, they need to repair an old bridge that's collapsed in the middle. That'll be fun. The team arrive happily at the broken bridge. Wow, look at all the holes. But they need to get their planks at the far side to fix it. Where's Daisy going? Whoa! Mr. Rubble almost got knocked over the edge. Daisy can't get over the gap. But maybe she can reach the planks with a hook. Oh, nearly! Give it another go. Oh no, she's knocked it into the river. But at least Daisy tried. What are they going to do now? Digley's got it. He's going to try and reach across. Watch out, the plank is collapsing. Phew. Great save, Daisy. But how are they going to get across and get those planks? Wait a minute. I think Digley has a plan, watching Daisy's hook swing back and forth. Oh, they're going to swing Mr. Rubble over the gap. That's a long way down, and Mr. Rubble doesn't like heights. He's nervous, but Digley and CJ are encouraging him. Go on, Mr. Rubble, be brave, you can do it. Mr. Rubble is swinging. This isn't so bad. It's actually great fun. He's having a great time. He can grab the planks on that side and deliver them to the crew on the other side. Now, with a bit of cement to stick it, the bridge will be repaired in no time. There, all done. Good job, team. But look. Mr. Rubble is still swinging. He's having so much fun, he doesn't want to stop.
Ooh, Digley has a new book. Everyone wants to see. It's all about dinosaurs. But Mr. Rubble is waiting. It's time to start work. Today they're building a roundabout. Soon everyone is hard at work. Digley just wants to read his book. But now isn't the time. There's work to do. Wait, what's Digley found? It looks like some old bones. I wonder what they are. Daisy's collecting them up. There are so many. Oh, I think they're dinosaur bones. Now they just need to put them together like a jigsaw puzzle. Everyone is helping put the dinosaur bones together. Done. That doesn't look right. Oh dear, they'll have to try again. What about now? No, that's not right either. But wait, on the front cover, that's it. It's a T-Rex skeleton. Now they know what it is, they can put it together properly. Nice work, everyone. Now it can stand in the middle of the roundabout.
It's another sunny day at Construction HQ. I wonder what they're building today. Oh, nice. A barn. This looks like a good spot to start building. First, they need to lay these planks down. Haha! Nice one, Bum. But what's this? A bunny? Oh no! They're building the barn all over the bunny's home, but I don't think the crew have noticed. The bunnies are definitely not happy. What are they going to do? This bunny has jumped up onto the bricks. What is she doing? She's trying to take one of the bricks. Oh, here comes Bump. I don't think he noticed the bunny. Now Daisy has put some pipes down. And that bunny has pushed them over. And now the bunny has taken that pipe. What are they up to? Now Digley is laying out his tools. But one of the bunnies is moving his hammer. And now they're moving his screwdriver too. Digley doesn't get it. Where did his tools go? The whole construction crew are very confused. How do things keep going missing? It's such a mystery. Wait! Now they know the bunnies are the ones moving everything. But why? Oh! They've moved everything into another field. They want the crew to build the barn over there instead, so it's not on top of their rabbit holes. Now Daisy gets it. Now the crew have moved all the building materials into the other field, just like the bunnies wanted. In no time at all, the barn is all finished, all good in the new field. The bunnies are so happy. Well done, team.
It's Digley and Dazey doing some work on the farm. Uh-oh, clumsy Daisy has knocked over a bit of fence. It's Pablo Pig. Cheeky Pablo. He's going to escape the farm. Quick, catch him before he gets away. Go on, Digley, you can do it. Look, Carlos the calf is sneaking out too. Behind you, Daisy. He's running. Hurry after that calf. Now Pablo's balancing on the fence. Ouch! Belly flop. Now he's off again. Whoa! Spinning round so much has made Daisy dizzy. Oh no! Now Dylan the duck is coming out. You've got to stop them, Daisy. Look out, Daisy. Ducks can swim, but you... Oh dear. Those farm animals are really pesky. Pablo Pig is running into the wheat field. He must be hiding in here somewhere. There he is. And there's Letty Lamb too. After them, Digley. Well done, Digley. You caught Letty Lamb. 3 more to go. That's Dylan the duck. And Carlos the calf too. Nice work, Daisy. Now you've caught Pablo too. All the animals are back safe and sound. Well done, Digley and Daisy. With that fence repaired, they won't escape again.
It's a brand new day at Construction HQ, and everyone's excited to start work. But Mr. Rubble looks so tired. Oops, Daisy didn't mean to knock over all the plans. There, today's plans. But something's wrong. That playhouse doesn't look right. Oh well, if that's what the plans say, that's what they'll build. Now everyone's hard at work. But oh dear, Mr. Rubble is so sleepy. Surely no one will notice if he has a short nap. But Digley can't figure this out. Something is definitely wrong with these plans. But what is it? There. The playhouse is nearly finished. They just need a few finishing touches. But oh no! It doesn't stand up properly. This isn't right at all. Here's Mrs. Skip. Looks like she's trying to say something. That sign can spin upside down. That's it. The playhouse plans are upside down. That's why it looks all wrong. Now there's just one thing left to do. 3, 2, 1, jump! There! That woke Mr. Rubble up. But the playhouse is the right way up now. Good job, everyone.
Hey, look! It's all the construction vehicles. Looks like they're repairing the road by old MacDonald's farm. See? Digley and CJ are filling the pit with fresh concrete. Cool! What is it, Digley? Oh no! The barn is on fire! Oh, phew! Here comes Ashley the fire truck. Wait! Ashley, look out! The concrete is still wet. Oh no! Ashley's got stuck in the concrete. How will we put the fire out now? Johnny and Dozer are trying to get Ashley out. But be careful, guys. You'll get stuck too. Oh no! The fire is still burning. What are we going to do? Wait a minute. I think Digley has an idea. Wow, they're going to use all those pipes to form one long pipe. Then they're going to point it at the barn. And then, go Ashley! The water is travelling all the way down the pipe. There! The fire is put out. Way to go, Digley! Now Digley is digging Ashley out of the concrete. Everything is safe and sound now. Good job, everyone!
It's a boiling hot day at Construction HQ, and the gang are very hot and bothered. But there's no time to rest. They've got a busy day ahead. What's Daisy spotted outside? Oh no! It's a fire! And it set off the fire alarm! Here comes Ashley the fire truck. Can she put the fire out? Sure she can. Phew! Hooray for Ashley! And off she goes to help some more people across town. Bye, Ashley! Thank you! Oh no! Another fire started. And there goes the alarm! It's even bigger this time! Where's Ashley the fire truck? Oh no! Don't worry, Digley has a plan. He's filling up his digger with water. He's trying to put out the fire. Good idea, Digley. Mr. Rubble wants to help too. Whoops! Be careful, CJ. CJ has loaded up her cement mixer with water. Watch your water on the floor, Mr. Rubble. Whoops! Oh no! The fire is spreading towards the building. What are they going to do? Daisy's got a plan. She knocked the tower into the wood and stopped the fire spreading. Hooray for Daisy! Splash! The fire is all gone. And here's Ashley. Don't worry, Ashley. The fire is out. Even if they did make a bit of a mess.
It's a new day at the construction site. I wonder what they'll build today. Ooh! Mr. Rubble says they're going to build a car wash. Amazing! Everyone's working as a team to build the car wash. Now they just need to add soap. Oh dear! That barrel doesn't look like soap. But Bump hasn't noticed. Here's Mr. Rubble to take a look. Oh dear, he's all dirty. Not to worry, he can get all clean in the new car wash. Oh dear, something's gone wrong. It turned Mr. Rubble green. I don't think he's noticed. They can't let him look in the mirror. Digley's investigating. There's the problem. Bump put paint in the car wash, not soap. They'll need to paint Mr. Rubble back to the right colour. Splosh! Daisy splashed Mr. Rubble with mud. Now he'll need to use the car wash again. In Mr. Rubble goes. Oh no, now Mr. Rubble is blue. Quick! They need to stop him before he looks in the mirror. Splash! Nice work, Daisy. Now he needs to use the car wash again. Digley's putting in another paint can. I hope this is the right colour. Into the car wash Mr. Rubble goes. Phew, he's back to his normal colour at last, and squeaky clean too. Thank goodness. Looking good, Mr. Rubble. Good job, everyone.
It's the construction crew. Hard at work as usual. Good work, Digley and Johnny. I wonder what's in that crate. Whoa! A yellow circle, a red triangle, and a blue square. Digley is right. The blue square will fit at the bottom of the tower. Go on, guys. Put it in place. Look out, Dozer. Oh, well, the square is in place at least. Here comes CJ. A little cement. And it's a door. I don't think Dozer liked being shut inside. Now the red triangle. Where does that belong? Aha! At the top of the flagpole. Go on, Digley. Raise the flag. There. Well done, Digley. Now just the yellow circle to go. I wonder where that goes. Oh, it's a clock, which means it belongs at the very top of the clock tower. Somebody will have to go all the way up there. Be brave, Digley. It's high up, but you can do it. Ready, everyone? Heave! Up and up we go. Don't look down, Digley. Almost there. Keep pulling. There. Careful, Digley. Just gently put the clock in place. Well done, you did it. What a brave little digger Digley is. See you next time.
It's another windy day at Construction HQ. That wind really is blowing today. But today they're building a bigger enclosure for the sheep at the farm. Oh dear. The old sheep enclosure is far too small. Good job they're building a new one. That wind really is cold. And whoa, strong as well. But wait, what's Digley seeing? Look, it's an old farm windmill, but it's wobbling all over the place in the wind. I think it's going to collapse. They have to stop it falling onto the sheep. Phew. Good job, Daisy. Now it's falling towards the pigs. Uh-oh, look out. Phew, Daisy saved it again. Now it's falling back towards the sheep again. Oh dear. This is no good at all. What are they going to do? Wait, I think Digley has an idea. Digley's climbed up on a box. He's taken the wheel off the top. Ah, he's taking the old tower apart from the top down, so it can't fall over and hurt anyone. In no time at all, they've taken the tower apart. Now what can they do with all these planks of wood? They can recycle all the old planks from the tower and use them to build a bigger pen for the sheep. It's always good to build something new out of something old, instead of throwing things away. There, now the sheep have a much bigger place to play. Good job, everyone. It's still a bit windy. Uh-oh, Mr. Rubble's hat. One of the sheep has it. Now he's got to get it.
It's a bright sunny day at the construction HQ. Aw, Bump hasn't quite woken up yet. He doesn't like mornings. Here are today's plans. They're going to build a pond. How exciting! This'll be so much fun. First, it's up to Digley to dig the hole. Good job, Digley. Next, Bump pushes the dirt away and Daisy puts some stones around the edge of the pond. Great. Now all that's left is to fill it up with water. Better get out of the way, Digley. Bump's turned on the tap and the water runs through the hose. Daisy doesn't like that stone. Oh no! The stone landed on the hose! Now the water can't get through. Quick! They need to do something. Daisy's got an idea. She's going to hit the stone. Splash! Uh-oh. Now the hose has sprung a leak. The water is spraying everywhere. But Mrs. Skip knows what to do. They can use a Band-Aid to stick the hole shut. There. Good job, everyone. Now the water can flow again. Mr. Rubble wonders where the water's got to. Oops. Mr. Rubble has ended up in the pond. But that's okay. He thinks it's funny too. Splash! Great work, guys!
It's Dozer, CJ and Digley. Looks like they've just finished building a brand new house. Good work, guys. But something's not right. Something is still missing. Of course! They need to colour the house in with paints. And that big paint mixing machine. Red first. Digley is off. He's mixing the paint in the mixer. CJ is collecting it in her drum. She's giving the red paint to Digley. And bingo! The roof is red. Well done, guys. Next up is blue. We have to mix it up. CJ collects the paint, gives it to Digley, and... There we go. The windows are blue. Nice work, Digley. Which colour next? Yellow. Uh-oh. Digley accidentally knocked the green paint over. That's not good. Digley's mixing the yellow paint. He's painting the door yellow, but I don't think he realises the green paint is spilled. All gone. How will they finish painting now? Wait a minute. When the blue and yellow paints mix, it makes green. So if they take the yellow and blue paint cans and put them both in the mixer, there, green paint. Nice work. Now you can finish painting the house. There, green walls. The house is finished. Well done, Digley, Dozer and CJ.
It's a brand new day at Construction HQ. All the vehicles are excited to get to work. I wonder what they're building today. Whoa! A pancake shack! Oh dear. Digley doesn't look his usual happy self. I wonder what's wrong. Oh no, Digley is sick. He can't work today. He'll have to stay home. Time to start work. The first thing to do is dig the foundations. But without Digley, how will they dig? That's not working at all. Daisy can't dig the way Digley does. Maybe this drill will help. Oops! Mud is going everywhere, and Daisy can't keep the drill still. This isn't working either. Oh dear, oh dear. Digley is watching from HQ. He really wants to help, but he's still feeling sick. Here's Mrs. Skip with some medicine. That should help. Back on the building site, they still haven't dug the foundations. Oh dear. Splat! Wait, this plank of wood throws dirt into the air, like a spade. Maybe they can use this to dig the foundations. Yes, it works! Good work, Daisy. She's found a way to dig in her own way, in no time at all. There, the pancake shack is finished. Aww, Daisy has brought some pancakes to Digley to make him feel better. What a good friend. Delicious.
Look, it's the construction crew, and they're building a castle. Digley is directing Daisy as she lifts a big heavy block and puts it in place. CJ squirts the cement and... done! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks on one side and 1, 2 on the other. They're going to need some more blocks. Go, Dozer. 1, 2, 3 blocks across the drawbridge. Good job, Dozer. Oh no, it's a scary shark. Whoops! One of the blocks has fallen into the water. Poor Dozer, it was just an accident. Now Daisy has to lift the blocks into place. 1, 2 blocks are left. They're really heavy. Careful, Daisy. Oops, they'll smash up. Oh no, Daisy's music got turned up really loud. She dropped the blocks. Phew, Digley caught one of the blocks, but oh dear, the other mashed. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one side. 1, 2, 3 on the other. Oh dear, they don't match. But wait, I think Digley has an idea. What's he up to? He's taking a block from the taller tower. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now he's adding the block to the shorter tower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They match. Nice work, Digley.
Look, it's Digley. I think he wants to lift that big girder. There's Johnny. He has no problem lifting heavy loads. He's tall and strong. But Digley is only little. And that girder is very heavy. Oh, Digley can't reach high enough. Poor Digley. Here's Dozer. He wants to cheer Digley up. Being big and strong isn't everything. Everybody has different things they're good at. There's no need to be upset. I think Digley has a plan. He's got a barrel. And Dozer has a plank of wood. Now Digley's up on the roof. Dozer's put a crate of bricks on the plank. Is it a seesaw?
Oh, I see. It's a catapult. They can use it to bounce bricks up onto the roof. Very clever, Digley. Johnny is still lifting the heavy bricks up onto the roof. But look, Digley can bounce them up easily. He's using his brain to solve a problem. Look, now Daisy wants a turn. It's so much fun using Digley's new invention. They'll have moved all the bricks in no time. Digley may not be the strongest or the tallest, but he can be a very big help if he tries hard. Well done, Digley.
It's the construction crew. They're finishing their work on a new tunnel. Uh-oh. What's that sound? There's been a huge explosion down the mountain. Look, huge rolling snowballs. It's an avalanche. CJ tells the other workers to get inside the tunnel for safety. Dozer pushes Johnny in. There's no time to waste. Digley rushes to Daisy and tells her to get into the tunnel. The two get in just in time and the snow crashes down behind them. It's really dark in the tunnel. Digley grabs a lantern and goes to investigate the snowed-in entrance. It looks too thick to dig through. Even Johnny can't dig through it. Digley starts investigating the rest of the tunnel. He can spot something up ahead. There are some train carriages on the tracks. The tracks lead deeper into the tunnel. Digley thinks that they can get on the train and escape out the other end of the tunnel. The construction crew have all jumped on the train. Dozer is nervous to be at the front. Johnny gives them a push and they're off. Whoa! It's like a giant roller coaster. Look at them go! Whoosh! This looks like fun. Uh-oh. There is a snow blockage that they're going to crash into. The construction crew burst through the snow. They're outside and safe. Good job, Digley and Dozer.
It's a sunny day at Construction HQ. Look, Kitten is riding on Mr. Rubble's head. Today, they are demolishing an old factory. The crew are removing the bricks from the building, throwing them down the chute to be collected by Mrs. Skip. What's wrong? Oh dear, it's Kitten. They need to get her out of trouble. It could be dangerous. Aha! Digley's got a plan. She can play with this ball of string. Yay! She loves her new toy. Now the crew can get back to work. Oops! She's tangled up in the ball of string, and now she's rolling around out of control. Watch out, Mr. Rubble! Oh dear! Quick, Daisy! Kitten is going to roll off the edge. Be careful, everyone! Oops! Now she's bouncing around. Great catch, Digley. Oops! Oh no! She's heading for the chute. Quick! She's rolling down the chute. Digley and Daisy couldn't get there in time. Here she comes. The wall has turned into a parachute. Quick, Mr. Rubble, catch her. Phew, she has landed safe and sound. Well done, Mr. Rubble. What a crazy day.
Hey, it's Digley. Time for a hard day's work on the construction site. But wait, what has Digley seen? Oh Oh, wow! A robot digger! I wonder what that's doing here. Johnny is going to turn the machine on. Oh, that's it! The robot looks ready to work. Now the construction vehicles are hard at work. Digley is digging a trench, but now the robot digger is here to help. Look out, Digley! The robot is digging very fast. Best to stay out of its way. Look at the robot digger go! Dozer has to move fast to keep up. Whoa! The robot digger has finished its job already. Oh, poor Digley. He feels useless now that the robot has done his job for him. What's this? A drip of water has hit the robot. I don't think the robot is waterproof. Oh no, it's going haywire. It's smashing up all the construction sites. Somebody needs to stop it. Digley and Dozer are jumping into action. Dozer is holding the robot back, but he can't hold it forever. Quick, Digley! Phew! The robot is off. Well done, Digley and Dozer. You saved the day. But what can we do with the robot now? It's a very hot day today. Oh! Digley has turned the robot digger into a robot fan. How very clever of him.
It's a very windy day at Construction HQ. I wonder what they'll be building today. Oh wow, a towpath for the canal. That looks amazing. To build a towpath, they'll need paving slabs. Here comes Rocky the riverboat to deliver them. Ooh, it is windy today. Rocky loves to listen to music on his big headphones. There. Now to unload the slabs. Gently there. Thanks, Rocky. Now the crew can get to work on the towpath. But the wind is picking up. Oh no! Mr. Rubble's hat. It's landed on the back of Rocky. Not to worry. Mrs. Skip can get it. She's even trying it on. Oh no! Rocky is sailing on. But he doesn't realise Mrs. Skip is still on the back. Come back, Rocky. He can't hear them because of his big headphones. What's Mrs. Skip going to do? She can't get carried off down the river. Who knows where she'll end up? They have to get Rocky's attention somehow. Watch where you're going, Mr. Rubble. Oops, Mr. Rubble hit a box. Digley is racing ahead to try and stop Rocky. Maybe he can get his attention with this ball. Good thing Mrs. Skip has the helmet. What's Daisy up to? She's brought the stack of slabs. I wonder what her plan is. She's hopping up on top. Hooray! She saved Mrs. Skip. She's back on dry land, safe and sound. Phew. Later on, and the towpath is almost finished. Rocky is drifting past again, still listening to his music. He never knew anything was wrong.
It's a winter's day at the Construction HQ, and all the crew are excited to get to work. Oh, today they're building a windmill. Hooray! But, oh dear, those dark clouds don't look good. They'd better get to work fast. In no time at all, the windmill is almost finished. Now the sails are on too. Now to test it. But wait, it's snowing. It's snowing a lot. Oh dear. Mr. Rubble says they need to go inside or they'll catch colds. Digley wants to play in the snow, but he has to go inside. The next morning, everyone is ready to get back to work. Oh, look! There's so much snow outside. Oops! I don't think that'll work, Mr. Rubble. Digley can dig a path through the snow. There! Now they need to reach the windmill. Almost there. There. But the button is frozen up. This looks like a job for Daisy. There, no problem. Whoa! The windmill is blowing all the snow away. Great work, everyone. Now they have time to play. They can all slide down the snowdrifts. Hooray!